money for you. So she'll be talking about the business model canvas, she'll be talking about record keeping, she'll be talking about which is a law firm in Lagos. She's a business coach, she's a consultant partner at Sheyi and Co. She's a facilitator at School of Eloquence and a fellow of the Institute of Agribusiness Management of Nigeria. She's a business development expert and consultant with a broad and varied experience spanning 26 years from the legal, oil and gas, human resources, as well as agro-food, leadership, development, business communication, entrepreneurship, business planning and development, management consulting, organizational development, and executive. She has a strong passion for a healthy lifestyle and is an advocate for healthy food production across Nigeria. Okwe Farms is actually based in Abeokuta, grows organic vegetables and raises livestock. Okwe Farms has its own apiary for where they sell their brand of honey. They also offer contract farming for discerning customers who prefer produce with no chemical residues. Ginger and turmeric, grown at Okwe Farms, have passed 7 and 5 international organic standards. She's an alumni of Unite Africa and also the Academy of Women Entrepreneurs. She's highly recognized and has received many awards for her advocacy and contribution to the awareness and growth of organic farming as one of 150 Eco-Aspire Women Entrepreneurs in celebration of International Women's Day. Many students have been trained at Okwe Farms, and Olushola has trained over 1,000 people how to grow organic food at home. She has attended numerous trainings, workshops, conferences, events, and has been a panelist at many programs. She is a highly sought-after keynote speaker at several events on agribusiness and leadership. You can learn more about her work on Instagram at Okwe Farms, LinkedIn, Olushola Sowemimo, Twitter, @Okwe Farms. Thank you very much for honoring our invitation. Sisi is my mentor, and she's also a director in Agribusiness with our brothers. So join me in welcoming our business consultant, coach, mentor in the agribusiness sector, Mrs. Olushola Sowemimo.
So if you are practicing organic, for instance, and you don't even definition. Even I don't know it in my head, but it's good to know that there is a definition for organic. Ó dàbí ọmọ pé kíní yìí wọ́n tún ní ètò ìjìnlẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi ń describe ọ̀. Antoine yẹn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé nígbà tó yá àwọn kan rí pé wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ kó jẹ́ pọ̀ sí gan-an gbogbo èèyàn ní kó ní access oúnjẹ. Wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ tó ń gbé ìgbà yẹn ní green revolution yẹn wọ́n ní kí ló lè jẹ́ kó jẹ́ pọ̀ sí wọ́n ní fertilizer. Wọ́n ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lo fertilizer wọ́n lò níyẹn. Àwọn kan wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣàìsàn. Wọ́n ní ẹ wá ń sọ pé ó dàbí tó ń jẹ táwọn ń jẹ ní ò bá wọn lára wọn o. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn náà wá dìde. Àwọn ìlú tí gbogbo kìíní yẹn wà wọ́n wá kó jọ wọ̀ wọ́n ṣe mítìn. Ní mítìn yẹn wọ́n ti sọ pé kọ́ irọ́. Àwa kan àfẹ́ green revolution yìí jẹ́ pé synthetic náà fi ń gbé oúnjẹ. Kí ló dé ṣe kí wọ́n sọ pé ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀ màálù táyé gbígbá ti gbá nǹkan pé oúnjẹ kí oúnjẹ ṣe gbìn ẹ jẹ́ ká dọ̀wọ̀. So for IFAM, what happened was that a few countries started complaining that this green revolution always using synthetic. You know, people believe that I want to put synthetic, you will get. You will get. But the beauty of organic is that it will be slow at first, but when your soil is rich, you will now have even better yield and better quality. Wọ́n ṣe meeting yẹn, ní meeting yẹn ni wọ́n ti wá sọ pé kọ́ àwọn fẹ́ kí àwọn àgbẹ̀ tí ò ní máa lo àwọn nǹkan tí kò dábàrà àwọn ò ní fẹ́ bá wọn ṣe, àwọn fẹ́ kí àwọn yàtọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe wá pọ̀ IFAM. So IFAM yẹn àwọn èlò tó jẹ́ mẹ́mbà àwa náà pẹ̀lú. Ṣùgbọ́n NGO kan ṣoṣo ní Nàìjíríà tá à ń pè ní NOAN. NOAN is Organization of Organic Practitioners of Nigeria. Àwọn nìkan ni wọ́n jẹ́ mẹ́mbà IFAM yẹn. So àwọn ni wọ́n mọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Kì í ṣe pé tí àwọn ìlú náà bá dìde wọn ò ní gbà wọ́n sí oṣù kan. Ṣẹ̀kọ̀ fẹ́ ní kejì ọba fẹ́ ṣe mẹ́mbà wọ́n á kọ́kọ́ ka nǹkan tó yẹ kó jẹ́. Olú ẹ̀ bá dẹ̀ máa ń ṣe wọ́n á gbà. So with the both countries coming together, that was how IFAM started. So IFAM is the body that regulates everything organic in the whole world. But each country is allowed to do its own thing once you follow that basic definition. You are allowed to do your own. And why are you allowed to do yours? Because they appreciate that what exists in Africa might not exist in Europe. You know, for instance, in Africa, you will take a stick and treat it as twin stick. And when you go and see you and say, are you an animal? You treat stick, you know? But we know that it is healthy for us. So, Shawari, what see, I found to what that I òun ni pé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ti yín òun ni kẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Àmọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn ti fi jinlẹ̀ yẹn ẹ̀fọ́ lẹ̀. So mo ń ṣàlàyé fún wọn sí pé ó dàbí àwa ẹ bá ń lọ sí ní títì ẹ lè rí àwọn tó ta orin oríṣiríṣi. Orin ìgbà ilé ìdàkúnlé kan. Mo ní bí èèyàn bá fi sẹ́nu tó ń jẹ láàárọ̀. Mo ní tó ìbò bá rí èèyàn ó lè bèrè iṣẹ́ ran mi ní àbí kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé igi ló ń jẹ. So IFAM wọ́n fún wa ní respect pé wọ́n gbogbo ìlú wọ́n lè máa ṣe bí wọ́n bá ṣe. Àwọn nǹkan ọ̀gbìn wa dára wọ́n lè rà. Àwọn ọmọ tá à ń gbìn àwọn ẹran kọ̀ọ̀kan. Mo sọ fẹ́ nìkan lánàá, mo ní kò wá ẹran tó jẹ́ pé oko ló ń jẹ. Mo ní kò wá ẹran yẹn. Bí mo ṣe pé ìyá lọ́jà wa, wọ́n ní ìyòlè Abẹ́òkúta pé màá rí. Wọ́n ní pé àwọn tí àwọn máa ń ta oúnjẹ wa fún wọn béèrè wọn ò mú àwọn tèmi mọ̀ wọ́n máa ń fún àwọn ẹran yẹn ní ìmọ̀. Ǹjẹ́ kí wọ́n kò ní ìgbà mí àwọn èlò tó ń panadol sómi fẹ́ràn. Wọ́n ṣe o, èmi ti rí Coca-Cola rí, ẹ̀yin náà ti rí, èmi ti rí Coca-Cola rí tí woman yóò ṣí ìgò Coca-Cola ó dẹ̀ dá sí omi tí àwọn adìyẹ ń lò. Àwọn ìmọ̀lẹ́ máa sọ pé adìyẹ ẹni fẹ́ẹ́ rí tí ò bá mọ ibi tí ìkan yẹn ti wá irọ́ nípa kò mọ́ o. lóòótọ́ ká já ìwé ẹ̀ka lọ sàgbẹ́ àfipamọ́ pé òògùn gidigidi ni. So ẹ bá ń kó ilẹ̀ tẹ́ máa kọ̀ ní ẹgbẹ́ di ẹ̀fọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ fẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ fún ẹ máa lò sẹ́yìn. Ẹ bá mọ àwọn fọ́nmọ̀ nípa ìwé ọmọ ọmọ ẹni tó lè kówó lára yẹn ká ó láwọn kọ́kọ́ ní ìta ní ìṣòwò ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀wá fi wù. Àwọn ọmọ máa sọ fún yín ìgbà tó bá ti wá kọ̀ náà sọ fún wa. So ìyẹn la ṣe sọ pé ẹ bá ṣòwò bì kan ẹ má kò sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ ẹ wá sọ di gbẹrẹ fún. Ọ̀gá lè fi fẹ́ kí igi wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Tí bá sọ fún ọ̀yọ́ pé ìwà ní ìfà mi, wọ́n máa ń parọ́ kò sí ìgbà wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo ara respect ara wa. Bí òun ló gbogbo bí òun rédíò ẹ̀kọ́ lọ rí. Torí pé tí mo bá ti wọlé máa ti mú igi mi mo ní igi kan. Tí bá ti rìn lọ, wọ́n máa fi igi yẹn jẹ́ mọ̀ wọ́n sọ pé mò ń bọ̀ ọ́. Torí ká ló bí àtọ̀ kọ́ yàtọ̀ fúnra wọn ọ̀hún ló sọ fún ọ nìyẹn. Tó ti yẹ mi ò torí ẹ̀ ní ẹnì kan ṣoṣo èyí ò gbé kẹrin. Torí pé lọ́dọ̀ wa dandan ni pé ẹ wọ bàtà búùtù. Ó máa ń bá ọ̀gá ìjà nígbà yẹn. Ọ̀gá wa ní ó máa wà tó kú láì wọ bàtà ó ní kí ló pọ̀ ó ní ìkọ̀lù bá fẹ́ ni kó ṣe pé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò lò ó pé èmi ló kó pé mi ò lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọmọ ọgbẹ́ bó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó bá wọ sí pàṣẹ égbò láti jẹ. Ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ yìí lẹ́yìn tó bá wọn kí ló máa sẹ́yìn lórí WhatsApp kán lọ já èyí kan tó bá ní practice yẹ ìfẹ́ tó máa fi pè mí ọmọ yẹn ti ń ṣí bàbá ó kọ̀ máa wo ọmọ mi ló bá mi pè wọ́n sí pé jẹjẹ mọ̀ nígbà kan jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní òògùn ètò wọ́n sì bí wọ́n pé báwo lẹ ṣe ní báwo la ṣe máa ní kí láàrin oko báwo lè ní ìyẹn ní ṣe lẹ̀ pé ń kọ́ ṣé àkíyèsára ṣé àwọn àkíyárìn ẹni tó bá wà àkíyárìn tí ẹ kó fi kẹ́míkà sí ìtọ́kọ́ ọmọ kejì ẹ̀ máa jẹ. So caring, another one, caring. Pé aláti ṣe kí ni Yorùbá kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ tó lè kí ni Yorùbá tó lè fi lò fún caring yẹn. Àwọn tó fi hàn ṣe kò kí ìwọ́jọ́ yín lójú pé àánú òní ṣe báyìí tó ṣe máa ṣe. Wọ́n ní fair, F-A-I-R. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣe yẹn tó dáa tó fair? Are you fair? Ṣé o fẹ́ máa fẹ́ àìsàn fair? Tí mo bá fi chemicals sí nǹkan tí mo tà fún wọn tí mi ò sọ fún wọn pé mo fi chemicals jẹ́ mi ò ti ṣe ẹlẹ́dàá ni. Mo ti ṣe ẹlẹ́dàá ni. So fairness ni ìkẹrin. Pé gbogbo nǹkan tá a bá ń ṣe ká dúró lórí òótọ́. Ká dúró lórí òótọ́. Ọ̀sùn tá a bá ń ṣe báyìí. In fact, níjọ́ ní kọ́kọ́kọ́ ṣàlàyé àwọn onímẹ̀rin fún wa. Mo láti sọ fúnra mi pé tí èèyàn bá ń ṣe ó láyé kò sún mẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ẹ́. So, we have 4 principles that organic relies on. We have 4 principles, and in no particular order.
We had you, ma.
Oh, okay. So everybody here, she didn't hear. She doesn't speak animals. They talk about workers, and I was telling them how all our workers are registered as a nearby clinic. Yeah, because no problem. So that is how those 4 principles. So they are answering the organic. If they are something you know that I want to see what you see. Then they are organic. You only from America. In our money. So, any caring man ọmọ pé kó wá bá mi torí pé àwọn ọmọbìnrin máa ń kọ́lé. Nígbà yẹn èmi ò tí ìwọ bí o ṣe ń lé owó nínú organic. Ó wá pé máa yẹ pé kó wá bá mi kọ́ àwọn èèyàn. Máa yẹ wá sọ sórí kan fún wa. Ó ní wọ́n ń ròyìn kẹ́míkà kan. Wọ́n ní kẹ́míkà yẹn wọ́n ti fi sí ìkan báyìí. Wọ́n pọ̀ ní déjì ẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa lò ní harvest ní oṣù 5. Máa yẹ wá sọ sórí yẹn. Ó ní ìdáhùn pé kó tó ń lọ́ọ́ ti lọ bá wà kẹ́míkà yẹn wá. Ó ní ohun ọgbọ̀n ní lọ́kàn ló dé òun dìde lọ sí fáàmù pé ní la máa lo ní jókòó. Ó ní ibi tó ti ń po omi lọ́sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ wọ́n fún un ní kẹ́míkà yẹn fẹ́ wò. Ó ní ìdáhùn pé wọ́n rọra kọ́ sí tíntín lábẹ́. Wọ́n sọ pé the product is carcinogenic. Normally, more carcinogenic, only for cancer. Who know what we have? So much sister, mama, I want my family because over me, typically, you know, my love, so my wife share like see, if you take up for we have sugar, you can go sugar, you go to see, no one near your home. As much shape, what to sugar me, woman, difficult. Like the bad ones to have from every contact to advantage it over. Then, what man shape for? You need nitrogen today. The same nitrogen that will get the work, then you back in here, woman for any advantage. Then, Charlie, if you get back to see, how to run away needs it. You can get up with need say, never have to just spell of police bed. Only will be Friday. To repeat, over copy, who might get the soil in the top of the bed, who might get to grow when they absorb omi. So I was mentioning that with cover crop, the advantage is very big because apart from it covering your soil surface, you don't get weed, any weed, but tomati, grab and come, then another thing, you can still get foundation. Our project members for you, just because of we all money opportunity, the one they might share for so, see, everybody organic in America, only logo here to man. See, everybody over in Europe, which organic, only logo to man. You're not really EcoSat. EcoSat, the nice sat, not for the Nigeria, but Ishet is paid one market and look at that only going in Nigeria. Oh, I can't do you know that many of us are here one? I come out daddy, I didn't get lost of that. About that delay, I like how we buy. What will I show you? And roll for that. What will I show you? What will I show you? Now, we plant. That's the thing. Because what I call plant population. Kí ni mo ti pè é? Ṣé mo fi wọ́n bá ní kí ni population Nàìjíríà? Ẹ ṣàdáhùn. Wọ́n bá bèèrè ọ̀tẹ̀ èdè ní population Nàìjíríà sọ fún un. Kí lè sọ fún un? Ṣé ẹ mọ̀? How many of us weigh what we produce? See, notice from today, what you don't measure does not exist. What you don't measure does not exist. Don't say, that's why I scale, you know, Sherry, you know, only become my deal. They found me, one can take a few beds, one will go. Go funny, because, see, and go on a farm, go back and send, and say, you need to 50 kg. Then you have to do 30. Check what you're doing, 21. But that's the war, back on the day. Back on the initial man. And then she some of me condition. Do you know that I plant sweet corn 24/7? I know how many seeds is inside the sachet. See, mo bá gbin àgbàdo, mo mọ mélòó ni mo kì í bọ́lẹ̀. Ẹ bá mọ mélòó lẹ́ni bọ́lẹ̀, báwo lẹ ní ṣàtúnṣe fún ẹ̀rọ owó tiẹ̀? Ta ló sọ pé ẹ̀rọ owó tiẹ̀? Ta ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ẹ̀gbìn náà ni. Àwọn ọgbà tẹ̀ ẹ̀gbìn, ṣé ẹ kà pé 300 ní kíní? Nígbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í yọ, ṣé ẹ padà lọ kà pé 250 nìkan ló yọ 300 yìí? Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé 50 tí ó yọ yẹn, ẹ ti ń ṣòwò lọ́sìn nìyẹn? Ẹ ti ń ní shopping láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. So táwọn ẹ̀ particular cup, level it, tell somebody to count the seeds there. With that one, at least we have an idea of what is left. Do you understand? So each time you want to plant, you take that same cup, because that same cup is going to give you an idea of, oh, that cup to 500. Market research. Market research. You see, that market research is what will help you when you produce. Don't say, I keep saying my friend, she's always carrying the sugar to the market. You see, she take one huge truck of sugar and she come back, she'll have sold everything. Who tells you that you can sell it? What if your own friend always asking you for ugu, and then you answer them and say, I'm waiting for something to do? That is your market you are leaving behind. Because your own market research is being done for you by who? Those who ask you for things. Then number one people, when you want to know the right thing to sell for yourself. Èèyàn ń ṣòwò ṣọ́ọ̀tì ni. Tó bá jẹ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín nìyẹn, wọ́n ti ń bá yín gbá rìsáàjì yìí. Wọ́n ti ń bá yín gbá rìsáàjì yìí. Àwa ní nǹkan tẹ̀lé ta tí ò ń move lọ́wọ́ yín kì í ṣe ti yín ni o. Kì í ṣe àkọọ́lẹ̀ pé èyí náà máa bá wọn fi olówó lórí kíní yẹn minus ni o. Ẹ wo bí kúrè ṣe ń lọ ní ẹ̀sìn. Tẹ́gbẹ́ ẹ bá kọ́ ilé ẹ̀rí kúrè ayọ̀ káàkiri. Nígbà kan, kúrè pọ̀ ní fún àmì tó jẹ́ wípé mo máa ń tún tọrẹ. Kọ́ ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ tí bá gbẹ́sẹ̀ sí wípé ilẹ̀ yẹn ó fátá ẹ̀. Ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ pé kò yá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dry. Torí pé omi ilẹ̀ ni, ṣe mọ̀ omi ni, wọ́n bá dry ẹ̀dọ̀ ọ̀gbọ́n náà ní ṣínṣín ní báyìí, àwọn àrùn rí ta. Because àwọn tó wà lóyún ìbò òní kúrè jẹ, àwọn táwọn àgbélà fún commonize. So market research is very important. Kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ronú òjò, kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ronú ẹ̀rọ, kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ronú kòkòrò, kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ronú inú èèyàn gọ́gọ́. Ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń gbà mí èèyàn gọ́gọ́ ló máa lọ jà ìlú lè bẹ̀. So in agric, you don't flow. You do what? You grow. It doesn't mean that you won't get there. You will get there. And that's why I'm sharing some of these points with you. Another thing, let's be planning. Let's be planning. This is July now. What are you going to do till year end? What are you going to do? Have you thought about it? July has barely 2 weeks left. August has 4 weeks more. September, October, November. By now, you should know what you are going to do till year end. Bá a ṣe wà yìí, ó yẹ kí ẹ ti ṣe ìwádìí pé ó kè. December bọ̀. Jẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn madam school kọ́ láti pàdé Ìbàdàn. It's called pharmacy. Tòlótòló December o. Tòlótòló December ẹ lọ gbà sílẹ̀ o. Àmọ́ ẹlòmíì kò wá lọ bọ́ sí àtàjì. Àtàjì á ní àwọn náà fẹ́ máa wọlé fún ìgbà pé ṣọ́kọ́ sí mi. Àbí the livestock farmers. Yes, are you not preparing for December now? Time. Tí gbogbo wa bá gbé nǹkan tó wá lọ rẹ́tì papọ̀, owó ni wọ́n máa ń ṣàbàdé ní. Because máì máa fi ṣe àrò máì kò máa fi rẹ́tì. Ẹ wọ́n ló yòó lọ́rọ̀ yìí sí. Ó ti fi hàn wá pé àwọn ọmọ wọn máa kọ ọjà gan. Èyí ò ṣe ronú sí nǹkan méjì yàtọ̀. Ìfẹ́ lè pè ní bí ayé ìfẹ́ máa mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọ̀nyí. Báwo ni kò sí fruit nígbà COVID bàbá kan wọ́n ní lemon lime ọ̀sán wẹ́wẹ́. Bàbá yẹn ní igi 50. Jẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé igi 50 igi kọ̀ọ̀kan bàbá yẹn lè pa 20,000 ọ̀gá COVID. So let's be very, very time conscious, and we can think out of the box. It should be every time it must be this. No, you can ask people what else. Kí You know why? Those who buy the most are those who make juice out of it. And where do they shop? They shop at mile 12. So that is why when they take over to mile 12, they will sell. But guess what? Even that selling, you need a good agent. Because if you don't have a good agent who can give you the price in the morning, and you make sure, if your agent says this thing is 8,000 naira this morning, when are you coming? If you get there 2 hours after, you might have crashed. The money we make hinges on so many things. For instance, some of you will say, oh, I'm at a free training today. But is it free? We are here. You can be elsewhere. You can be doing something else. So, for your business, this has value. It has value. And it will lead me to continuous learning. Sharing, that thing, they said we should be doing this. Abi? So, continuous learning is important. You know, and the interesting thing is that you will have colleagues. They will be telling you, you can work out for Africa. Nowhere, they will see you there. It's okay. Let them see you there. Because sometimes, it might just be one sentence, and that sentence will change the way that we everything. You might get something from me today and say, it's true. It might be Mr. Sakawa who says something and say, But guess what? If that thing becomes something that changes the way you do things, will it not matter? This madam was saying at the APRA BD. Me, I see that it's the same people who show up for knowledge. They are sharing it for buying, sorry. And they training in the sharing anything about it. And also to get me, I will continue to call me no shame. You know, so for me, who said, go away, you go, who said, go away, you go. But tell you about Berry, to real and who let them so, you must answer how you ever be a machine, my soul, nínú iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ yìí fẹ́ máa kọ́ àwọn èèyàn. Kì í ṣe pé gbogbo ṣe ń gbé nǹkan yẹn náà kàn ó, mo sì lè jókòó gbọ́. Àmọ́ tí mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ fún yín lẹ́yìn tí gbogbo yín tẹ̀ dá púpọ̀ ẹ̀yìn àwọn association afẹ́ scale, tẹ̀lé scale. Ẹ wá lè máa boast pé from July to December, ìjẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé ṣọ̀pọ̀ 100 kg ni mo kò tí mo là. Wọ́n gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ bá mọ nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ẹ̀sẹ̀ nígbà tí owó yẹn alẹ́ máa wó obìnrin tó wá sí wà lọ́wọ́ wa kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Mọ́mí títà sẹ́ kìnnìkan my dear take that thing and at the end of the day ẹ̀ tẹ̀ alákàtúntì lákàtúntì tẹ̀ pa lákàtúntì tẹ̀ lọ kọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ wá kọ́ra wẹ́ẹ́ ní bọ́ọ̀tì. Ìyẹn ni quality. Kí ni mo ti pè é? Quality. Ṣẹ́rí, ó máa ń kó mi lérè ra tí mo bá rí bí àwọn àgbẹ̀ wa ní ìṣe máa ń ṣe àwọn nǹkan ọ̀gbìn wọn. Ṣẹ́rí, aláfẹ́ kà á fún tí èmi bá gbéjà tí mo bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń ta ewé tó gbé tiẹ̀ sórí ilẹ̀ ẹlẹ̀. Tí mo dé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹnìkan tí yẹn tẹ́ linoleum àti ìdíkan tó kó sí, ká lè yín máa bá rà. So, gbogbo tá a bá ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká máa dira wa ṣódà kó. Tẹ́mi bá lọ sọ́jà nǹkan mi ò ní ìkọ̀kọ̀ rà mo kàn lọ ṣe research. Mo lọ wo wẹ́lẹ̀ mi ṣe ń ṣe. Ọ̀yìnbá mi irú àwọn madamisi wọn ní a máa ń lọ sí farmers market. Tá a bá dé tí bá lọ sí anywhere àti wọ́n ti ń ṣe exhibition. Research ni o. Èmi náà lè gbé nǹkan mi lọ wọ́n máa fọ́ wọ́n gbé ní ìsìnkú ga báyìí. Wọ́n ṣe di kíní. Màá sọ ọkọ fún yín. Èmi ni mo kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ta ẹ̀fọ́ ní Èkó tí mo fi brown paper lápẹ̀. paper ló fi máa ń rà lójú. Number one, kò jẹ́ kó gbẹ kó tó dọ́dọ̀ customer. Number two, èmi ò like nylon. Ṣé mo kò tó máa ń kọ́ wa wá ní àbárọ̀ra lo nylon pé torí pé wọ́n kò kí ń jẹrà, ó lè ba ilẹ̀ jẹ́, ó pa ẹja lódò pàápàá. So wọ́n á wọnú sí bíá kí ni yìí lè lo pépà mo ṣe bọ́ sí mo ṣe nìyẹn tí mo gbé green brown paper àdèké lọ́lá òun là ń lò. Inú mi lẹ̀ dùn pé àwọn èèyàn rí wọ́n lò ó. Irú yẹn ni òun fẹ́ sọ ìmá pọ̀ bí. Wọ́n tó bá dá ẹ wá máa tajà ní secretariat ẹ̀sẹ̀ secretariat paper. Ṣé mo kò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe wọ ọbẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe máa wù ú? Tẹ́ ẹ bá wọ ọbẹ̀ bá kọ̀ ọ́ lọ́wọ́ pé ibi náà sílẹ̀ máa kàn dé. Oye tẹ́ ẹ bá pè pàápàá, wọ́n á tún máa fi lọ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n fi pẹ́ ìsáàbò gbogbo báyìí. Èèyàn kọ́kọ́ kì í ná ẹ̀fọ́ kìíní o. Yóò bọ̀ wáyé. Ká kọ́ sí pọ́lítì ìmọ̀tàkì. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká ṣe ní ṣàpàlà pé àkọsí bá tọ̀. Ǹjẹ́ kí wọ́n pè ní sè? Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ project kan ní my 12. Great ni àwọn ọmọ mi gbà. Ṣùgbọ́n alábẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá gbé délé, tẹ́ ẹ̀ dá kúrò náà pẹ̀lẹ́ lọ́jọ́ kan, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ ṣá? Torí pé ṣẹ́rí àpẹẹrẹ yẹn, àwọn èèyàn máa ń tẹ àwọn ọmọ ní bí pákójẹ́ nǹkan tó ti wà lára àpẹẹrẹ yẹn. Adápẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn náà wọ́n ti lò lò. Àwọn ọmọ tó ká sí wọn fojú rí, bóyá wọn máa lo microscope wọn máa. So àwọn ọmọ lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ bá àti ẹ̀rọ apẹ̀rẹ̀tì ńlá ilé ọba ìwà máa ń kà lọ́ọ́ bí àpẹẹrẹ báyìí. A lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bí display kọ́ wa. A lè mọ̀ together as association kò báyìí láàbí àti àbẹ̀jà wọn. Ẹ̀ wá rí pé àwọn alákọ̀wé tó máa wò ìtẹ́lẹ̀ tó máa ṣe báyìí àwọn náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ. Because kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ ìṣe yẹn jọ wọ́n lójú. Even though it is 2 rooms in my house, she cannot package anything. As she did her Gogoro yesterday, she was net. The fact that net doesn't cover, she will use scarf, she will wear nose mask, she will do everything. Because can you imagine if you buy, let's say you buy my camera and you find one hair strand there. No, so quality control. For instance, NAFDAC says that for us to pack things, you must use stainless steel, like spices. We use spices. NAFDAC requires you to use stainless steel container for mixing. Why? Because germs don't stay on stainless steel. That's why some staircases, they make them stainless steel. If you put your hand, nothing can happen to you there. They can be wiping it, but it doesn't mean that it's because you touch it that something happened to you. So I just asked myself, why not? And I went to town. I went to look for stainless steel bowls and put them back home. And despite the fact that they are not come to visit us, shipping is what the girl is used to that she will do when they come. And those people, when they want to ask questions, they will ask me. They will answer. So your madam, what do you use to do? She will go and break it. By then I will say, no, it's the one in the cupboard. They just look at me like, Mama, Abba. This girl knows what she's doing everything. She's not the one doing. So quality control. We want to go to exhibition. Let's go with respect. The one that this additional is talking about in the way, we all have tablecloth. You put your table. Jerry, come on, Aja. Come on, take one over there if you like it. And then I wash your table back. I've table here. I want to go, yes. Oh my God, you. Oh my God, you. That I'm not camera. I want to go on by lady. Well, not the other one. Actually, it's suffer. And I'm for it. So, quality, the change, you know, if you buy it for gloves, am I there for washing? Come back to the àwọn customer ló ń kọ́ ìdí o. Èmi náà àwọn customer fẹ́ pé wọ́n bá ra ọjà mi tán, wọ́n máa gbé lọ sí laboratory test. Owó mọ́tò yẹn. Yes. Owó mọ́tò yẹn ó jù yẹn lọ. Wọ́n á gbé lọ àti kó máa kọ̀rí the first time to lay back lórí ṣọ́ọ̀kì àti máa ta àkọ́wá lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ó bí yẹn. Owó tó mọ́tò yẹn. Àṣé gbogbo wọn wà lórí ẹ̀rọ díẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó lè gbé lọ sí laboratory test. Lẹ́yìn ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì ó wá pè mí. Good woman, I'm impressed. What they told me is what I have realized. Well done. If I one thing I hate is somebody to find me out and lie to. And that's why I don't take people's products. When people call me, one man called me yesterday, I have okay. Did you see it on the platform? I was asking the man. He now gets my DM. I said, how do you plant it? Because I have people who want property. But guess what? They will take it to laboratory to test. The man said, no, Alamisi has told you now that she has a farmer's market. You can talk to her. Madam, please, that farmer's market, what are people looking for there? I want to be going in for you. You know that's market. Which one is better? The one that you carry it, you go to market and go and sit down and be looking for who will buy. Or the one that, as you are planting itself, you are already counting that woman that wants to buy something. She doesn't know. I'm going to meet her. Meet her right there at the bus stop. So, we must be very, very careful. You must have the market. And another thing, don't produce and start looking for who will buy it. They will price it for nothing. It's like when to mile 12. Let's say you have tomato. You now harvested it and you go to mile 12 or cucumber. You know what's going to happen? They're going to dash out. They are going to dash it out at the market. Because you don't have an agent. You didn't talk to anybody. See, I planted ginger about, I think it's almost 4 weeks now. The ginger has not entered soil. Then I started advertising it. And sometimes the advertisement is not direct. It's what? Indirect. They are making people aware that I am planting this ginger, you know, and then you start getting messages in your DM. When will they be ready? You see, and I told them on the web, this thing where I said it's going to be organically grown. So, those who want organic will start telling each other. Cherry, àlàyé kan tí mo tún ṣe ni pé ẹ má jẹ́ ká gbé nǹkan tán ká tó máa wá ẹ̀ tó máa bá wa. Ṣé ó yẹ yín? Ẹ má ṣe tí ìgbà tẹ bá gbé tán tó bá ti pé ẹ̀ lọ harvest ẹ máa ma ní àmà ẹ̀yìn. Ṣé rí ibi tí ẹ ti ń gbé yẹn tẹ bá gbé wẹ́n 20 days ní 28 days tó ti yẹ yín ẹ bá ti ń gbé Madam Missy ó lè pẹ́ sọ ní kíní tá a ṣe yẹn pé a lè máa gbé pọ̀ wá fún un ilẹ̀ fẹ́ torí àwa fẹ́ gbé wíwò Madam Missy ní òkè bí mélòó la máa rí ṣé mo bẹ́ sìn ẹ̀sìn gbọ́ngbọ́n pé èyí náà máa wọ̀ ẹ̀ wá lè sọ fún Madam Missy pé ó yẹ ká lè máa fún yín ní bíi 10 kg lọ́sọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀. ọmọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ olùkọ́lùwà kì í ṣe ká ìgbé lọ sọ́jà kan ṣe máa lọ lóko kan ẹ̀wọ̀n adúlé fún àbèrè láìsẹ̀. So, yẹn lọ wá ṣẹ́ ni o, ìbájẹ́ mọ́ọ̀sì ni, ìbájẹ́ chọ́ọ̀chì ni. Ẹ máa fi lówó ẹ̀ lẹ́ kì í ṣe ìgbàgbẹ́ bá gbé wá lójijì. Mọ́mì tí ẹ bá àwọn tẹ́ ẹ bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé wọ́n lè rà á yẹn. Ẹ má ṣàwò kán sì kán jẹ tó dùn. Kí lẹ́rù kan máa ṣe? Padà. Ẹ má tijú láti ta ọjà yín. Kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ pé wọ́n ti yẹn lọ tàbí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ṣé a rí tó mi kan ṣo tẹ́ ẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn? Má bá sísà wọn. Má bá bọ́dà wọn. Mo lóbìnrin kan tó ti rà kọ́ lọ́wọ́ wa. Ó ní máa ń pọ̀ fún ọ. Má bèèrè tó máa ń ṣe pàtí ní àdìkéṣà lọ. Ó ló ti o. Ó lọ bá sísà wọn rárá. Bí a ṣe tajà wa. Tẹ́tẹ́ bá wá ní àwọn ọmọ tó jẹ́ pé àwọn náà ti kọ́ kọ̀ǹpútà tó ń ṣe kínní. Àwọn ọmọ wà sí kọ́ńtù ní Instagram, Facebook. Ọ̀rọ̀ àbájọ sí wọn pé ẹ̀rí sí. Wọ́n máa bá mi fi fọ́tò ìsìta. Ewé wíyì, àlùwà, báyìí ṣe ṣe wọ́n ti kọ́ wa kọ̀ọ̀kan. Àwọn nǹkan tó máa jẹ́ kí èèyàn fà sí yín nìyẹn. Ṣé ní àwọn èèyàn wọn ò fẹ́ pọ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ àkọ́fàmù? Tẹ́tílọ́sì wọn ò fẹ́ mọ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ àkọ́fàmù. Wọ́n máa ń fi pé bóyá èèyàn fẹ́ pọ̀ láti rà. Àwọn ó lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní mọ́ọ̀sì àbí church ní sáà bàbá. Mo fẹ́ bá àwọn èèyàn wa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa pé àwọn oúnjẹ tá à ń jẹ ló ń ṣe orí lára. Ìwà débi ẹ̀gbẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀. Ẹ wá náà ìdánwò kó láwọn ti gbọ́dọ̀ máa ti. So our marketing must change. 20,000 followers on Instagram. Where did you find them? I didn't buy them. I don't know 1% of them. What happened was that when I started, I I went to share knowledge. And you know, the world is getting to a state now where people want to know your story. What is your story? How did you start this? My own story was because my mom died of cancer at the age of 72. She was cancer stage 4. Before then, she used to grow the food in her house. But when my dad passed away, she just lost all interest and all. And she developed cancer. Before we knew it, she was dead. I'm like, just like that. Somebody who used to eat healthy for so long. And that was how I learned that most times it's the food that they eat. And that was how I shifted. I've never done conventional in my life. Even some chemicals, I started learning their name when I started training. Because I didn't know them. I've never used them. So, me saying, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ó máa ń fẹ́ mọ̀ pé organic ẹ̀jẹ̀ kí ló sún yín sí.
Seven different phytogenics: garlic, ginger, cinnamon, turmeric. So when I finished in 2018, I started trying out how to produce broilers without using synthetic products. And God was still on my side. God was on my side then. I had friends that were resident doctors in FMC in Abeokuta. I was a freelance. And I realized that they want to, all my mother's dying diabetes, so they still want to eat chicken. You know it's chicken now, they want to eat chicken. And because they are diabetic, they are not supposed to eat chicken. But I realized that when I started treating the fat in broiler chicken, they can still eat it and feel like the eggs at the end of local chicken. So I didn't look for market again. I had resident doctors in FMC that were buying for their clients.
Wow.
You know, they will tell me they need chicken. Normal production cost 3,000. I have said 5,000. Then their clients will send 40,000 to me, and I'll be forced to refund the doctors. Doctor, I don't know how many they want to buy. I give them to be sent me. Doctor will say, you don't understand how much they are paying to see us in FMC.
Wow.
I'll still tell them that I want to do operations, what to do. So some doctors are older, they will just say, I will keep the change. But some of them are my age mates that went secondary school together. Because they are not members to me. They didn't even do anything. They are making good money. They have salary, they have. And I realized that, okay, everybody in my mom's family now eats chicken. My mom does not buy chicken outside, does not eat chicken outside. She will soon be 60. She's the only one that does not have record of diabetes. So people will now say, I want to mama get chicken. I want more as we made that chicken for diabetes. I'm always need to tell them, I think they have their chicken, you know, not chicken, whatever to me, if I have more new.
Please give her a round of applause. Thank you. Yes, that's marketing. Fún wa láti lè rí ta. Náà pé èyí kan tó ń sìn yìí wọ́n láti yẹ àti èyí kan wọ́n rí ìsìlẹ̀ fún wọn lo gbogbo àwọn abẹ́rẹ́ ní wọ́n ní sìn gbogbo fámìlì wọn àwọn bára àjèjì. So bí mo ṣe sọ pé èyí náà lè sọ̀rọ̀ ní mọ́ọ̀sì àbí church pé ẹ̀kọ́ fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ ní o pé àwọn ọmọ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ lára o báyìí o. Ní pé wọ́n ẹ wá fọ ẹ̀gbẹ́ dání. Tí mo jẹ́ lọ bí nígbà fún àwọn ilé wà nínú tẹ́kítẹ́ káàkiri náà tó ti yé. So ẹ jẹ́ ká fi marketing aláti kì í ṣe pé gbogbo ìgbà la kò máa rí nǹkan tà báyẹn. Àwa náà láti ṣe iṣẹ́ díẹ̀ láti jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn lè ra nǹkan yẹn lọ́wọ́. Láti sí àwọn nǹkan tá à ń tà pàápàá. Ṣé a kò máa ń gbọ́ mi tí wọ́n sọ pé ẹ̀gbìn nìkan ti di oyè kan, àwa náà ní oyè tá à ń tà nìyẹn. Báwo la ṣe ń ṣe? You know, financial management is very important. For instance, let me tell you something. Can somebody tell us what they grow here? I want to use somebody as an example. What is it that you grow?
the price of her cycles differs. So you can't really say that this is the price unless you're able to know the price of each cycle and be able to remove your expenses when you know what comes in before you can categorically say this is what's.
Okay, I have worked with consultants, and when they start dribbling me with questions, that is when I know that many of us don't know what we're doing. Honestly, do you know that I know the average, I produce many things, but I know the average price that I am supposed to sell. So let's say one thing is 100 naira, one thing is 500, one thing is 1,000. Find the average. Multiply by the quantity that you are producing. So for instance now, I know that for me to break even in a particular month, I know how many kg of produce I'm supposed to sell. And if I don't meet that kg, it means that month foul. So you need to be able to break down your production. Do you understand? If you don't understand, let me explain. Jerry, you are not starting job for job because okay, a shiro. I'm a shiro for don't I'm a shiro. So what I'm talking about is compliance. Please, let's be compliant. I'll tell you for years, I never considered that. I just thought it was stressful for me. This wahala is too much. And we're going to show you coming back. But guess what? It is now a deal breaker. How many people have products here that is certified by NAFDAC? And you are still working on it. See, it's a deal breaker. Don't let it. I was lamenting to a lady that the wahala is too much, and I mean, I don't have money for agents. Those agents, they charge a lot of money. Guess what the lady said? The lady said, "Sure, one look at yourself. Will you enter NAFDAC office?" And the one said, "Go there. Go there yourself." Do you know that when I got to NAFDAC office, they didn't give me a chair to sit down. They were nice. They were everything. They gave me all the documents I need and all. And the man sounded me, "Madam, if you can do this thing by yourself." He said, "Do this thing by yourself. How much money are you going to make? Go and pay agents, $500,000, $1 million. When will it balance? How much plantain flour do you want to sell to pay agents $1 million?" They gave us all that we needed. They gave us document. She told me that she's in 70 stores in Nigeria. These are my job thoughts. You will never scale if you don't do NAFDAC. About any shape on the eco one association. And the power of a shape. But you have to drop the control. For instance, if you feel like you àwọn export promotion wọ́n lè wá nǹkan tí Nàìjíríà máa fi di olówó padà àmọ́ tí yóò bá ní NAFDAC yẹn olórí kọ́kọ́ ẹ má lè wọ́n jẹ́ ayélujára ẹ bá tẹ̀ ní association tó ti ẹ̀ péjì wọ́n máa ń láì pé àwọn health station tó ti yẹ ẹ̀wá ẹ̀ tó máa gbé aṣáájú bẹ́ẹ̀ kó lọ́ máa sọ everybody níbẹ̀ owó ọ̀fẹ́. So àwọn tó pè compliance rẹ̀ ìjọba ẹgbẹ́ ìjọba bá ní à. People have actually the Command Association. Come out here, any for Gary, any for a book, and why? What if the month man will see Joko and more the month and a half or what's around? And now, last okay, or last song. Ẹ wo fún àwọn ọba tó fẹ́ lọ sí Portugal ní Songhai farm. Gẹ́gẹ́ wọ̀n pé wọ́n ta normal gàrí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Gàrí tí wọ́n fi coconut, there's coconut in gàrí. They call it gàrí coconut something and people are buying. Why? Because they added coconut to the gàrí. Yes. So, think outside the box. What else can we do? Do you know, I had an intern who works on my farm. Now said, man, I too want to be selling your product. Who are you going to sell it to? Don't worry, I will sell. You know what they did? He went to he was meant to be at LDS. He told them at LDS that he's going to Okweva. When he applied, I said from LDS, yeah, I don't have 200,000. I said, man, don't worry. Even if you don't pay me a dime, all I want is to have your name on my CV. He has located to Canada now. He was given first tier level for his application because he worked on the farm. Guess what? He will take a crate of my tomatoes, firm, strong, red tomatoes. He will package them. He did a label, and he was selling to the younger ones. They were not even cooking soup with it. They were making salad and drinking tomato juice. So, what really innovation? And I'm missing. Do you want to give them a break? You look old. Do you know our feathers? The feather from our chicken. We dry it, turn it to feather meal, and put in our soil. I have bought ash from someone before. We have a place, they pour their ash there. But anytime we now put vegetable that is a lot, we don't get enough ash from them. Just saw one platform, one man said, ash for sale. And people started, nonsense, there, no, I went to DM, sir, how much is your ash? I was one that bought almost everything. Because I know the value. Oh, you don't know it, but no. There are no single year, but not a mix there. Everything I want for poverty issue. One, yes.
After they go, I put the hash inside, aside the chicken manure. And in the chicken house, it's very good there too.
Thank you. Is ash. But I don't think we don't get to spray them and so. But sometimes some of the leaves they don't give you the opportunity to put things on them, but they go like this. They go like this. Some leaves, they won't cut more. But I'm saying so like Baba was they grow, So until they are ready, I just want to one share anything about me. That's my calculate. Never been, I don't be lucky by you. Okay. Every day. For how long?
For just 4 weeks.
4 weeks. In the minute, Baba can be school. Baba here 5 or 6 months. Watching Father Lord, harvest down. So, Emma come you. Àṣírí kan mo fẹ́ fún yín. Ṣé rí àwọn nǹkan tẹ bá ń gbìn ẹ láti máa ṣe calculation. Àwọn nǹkan tẹ bá ń padà lọ sí ibẹ̀ tẹ tún lọ harvest owó ni. Lóye àwọn nǹkan tẹ pé tí àwọn tẹ bá gbé ńlá tó bá yọ lẹ́yìn. Ìfà ìní tó bá yọ lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá mo lẹ́yìn ọ̀la tí kò wá kó ẹ̀. síbẹ̀ máa rí púpọ̀ pa ẹgbẹ́ àfọ́pẹ́ plot ẹ máa rí púpọ̀ per plot. So we are not talking of the yield per plot. So ẹ wá mú àwọn bíi ginger, àwọn turmeric tó ti yé ní àwọn sweet potato. Then àwọn bridge ó tún bá wà tẹ́ ẹ bá ti pè wọ́n. For instance, máa kọ́ wọ́n á bá mi gbé ginger. Mo gbé wọn wá ní òwúrọ̀. Àwọn tó wà lóko mi pé mo kọ́kọ́ ṣe nílẹ̀ tí ó dá mi gbèsè. Wọ́n máa di December tí wọ́n máa wọ́n dà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Mo wá gbé àwọn ènìyàn wá wọ́n á bá mi gbé ginger. Báyìí wọ́n ṣe àlàyé pọ̀ fún mi. Ó ní ìyẹn mo mọ̀ pé ní àṣà tó ti wá. Ó lẹ́yìn òní. Wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ ọ́fíìsì. They are comfortable. Ó ní àwọn ó lè ní ilẹ̀ tó gbogbo nígbà yìí. Wọ́n á mówó sílẹ̀. Àwọn apá wọn kò ginger sí. Ó ní ìjẹun kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pé mi ò ní débẹ̀ ní 2 years. Ó ní bọ̀bọ̀ kan báyìí. Ó ní 3 years ló ti di ginger sílẹ̀. Ó ní ẹjọ́ máa 10 million lọ́kà. Because àbí prof tẹ́ bá fi sílẹ̀ bó ṣe pẹ́lẹ̀ sí ló ṣe máa pọ̀ sí. See, I had a visitor from Fidelity Bank on, they came to the farm on Thursday. It's one house, this is knowledge. They came to the farm on, so we thought of water leaf, one of them that very screaming, which is called the Israeli. As we were going, I said, what's this thing? They like the leaf a lot. I said, what is ginger? He said, hey, ginger. One of them said, please, ma, I've never seen how ginger grows before. I'm telling you, that ginger has been there for almost 2 years. When they brought it out, they will say, no, this is not ginger. This is not ginger. They look like bones. I'm telling you, they were like this. Ginger, they were not the normal ginger that you buy in the market like I'm breaking. No, they were fat, like bigger than tennis ball. We were screaming. So the longer you leave those things, the bigger. There was a time we harvested sweet potatoes. I'm telling you, some of them were like this. Some of them were like this. As in, I can't finish one. So we must consider àwọn ọmọ tó jẹ́ pé bí ẹ bá fi ilẹ̀ fún ọmọ náà gbòòrò sílẹ̀ ọ ẹ bá gbé ẹ máa rí ju nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ rò lọ. tó ẹ bá rí náà wọ́n ti máa ṣe wọ́n ti kọ́ wa pé èyí tó jẹ́ pé a máa padà lọ síbẹ̀ lọ́la next bí ilá bí ilé kan ẹ̀mú yẹn lẹ̀ tòmátò. ó ti wá sọ fún wa pé àwọn ọmọ wà tábà bí sílẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ wọ́n máa pọ̀ sí wọ́n máa tóbi sí ẹ̀kọ́ mu wọn. Things like ugu, ewedu, shoko, those ones are popular. You will take a lot to produce them and not find customers. And if you don't find customers, then don't produce them. Don't say I said you don't take it and you don't produce it. No. Like I told you, find your market first. And feel free. You know one lady told me, she's now in 17 supermarkets in Lagos. Not 17, this one is 17. How did she do it? She just she went to her brother's place like something happened at her house, they were repairing it, she now had to stay the night or almost in her brother's house. They all now went back to their house in somewhere else. Anyway, you know that Bash was at the brother's place. She was not telling the brother, this supermarket business, I don't know how I'm going to make an inroad or not. The brother said, sister, in this age of technology, he said, yeah, but I don't know anybody there. There was you know somebody. Guess what? The brother just put on Google Maps supermarkets in Lekki. And they all started asking out. And they were writing. By the time she left the brother's house, she got 17 supermarkets to supply. So sometimes we're just not trying hard enough. We always think it's not possible. But guess what? She has NAFTA. Okay. So you cannot run away from NAFTA. Very important. So I'm giving you yield by acre, production cost, length of harvest, price per kg, the popularity, and then production methods. You know why I added production methods? There are some things for you to scale growing it. You must have drip tape because bá ṣọ́ ìbí báyìí kó ṣe kéde kan sí kó ṣe kéde kan sí kílẹ̀ rú pàǹtí. Ẹni owó tẹ bá ná ẹ láti ṣí àìmáṣe rẹ́kọ̀dù. Ṣé rí tẹ bá ti ṣí ní èyí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ní ẹsẹ̀ táyé fún nǹkan ọ̀gbìn tẹ̀ ṣe ẹ lọ ra ọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ní ìkọ̀ náà kọ́ fún rẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ní ìkọ̀ ẹ wá pọ̀ ọmọ ìyá lóko. Nígbà fẹ́ gbin ilá yìí èso ẹ̀ tààrà tó bá wọn yàrá ká kọ́lẹ̀. Bàbá bọ́sẹ̀ wọ́n wá bàbá mi ṣán adọ́nọ́nọ́nọ́ lójú kókò máa ń àgbàdo gba ọ̀pá ẹ̀dọ́ kọ́lẹ̀. Omi ò yọ̀ bẹ̀ ẹ lọ pé ẹ̀rú wá ẹni gbọ́dọ̀ bá yẹ kó mi wá. Ó akẹ́ẹ̀dì gbọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ ń gbé ìyẹn èrò lẹ sọ omi mélòó ló gbé wá ẹ̀kọ́lẹ̀. Ṣírò fóònù tẹ́bí pé arákùnrin pé ìgbà báyìí ló máa rẹ́dí o tọ́mà wà tàbí àtẹ́kùnlẹ̀ máa gbé wá ní ẹ̀kọ́lẹ̀. Because owó mọ́tò tẹ̀lé lọ́ra sí ìyẹn ẹ̀kọ́lẹ̀. Torí tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣe tán tí owó yẹn tó ń ṣe ní gbòǹgbò báyìí pé èlé rèé àṣekí nípa àkọlù sọ 50,000 ó yẹ kí ná 40,000 lẹ́nu ẹ wá rí 50,000 lóye nù. Ìgbà tẹ bá mọ̀ ní ìgbà tẹ bá wá jókòó ṣírò gbogbo kan tẹ bá ná ní ojoojúmọ́ lórí ìtàn iṣẹ́ ọkọ ní ẹ̀ma ọ̀sìn ìdádó tó ẹ láti ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. So àwọn tó bá ń bá yín ṣiṣẹ́ náà owó tẹ̀ ń ná nínú ẹ̀ma àkọsílẹ̀ ìjọba bá pe lámájá tó ṣe kọ̀ọ̀kan oye tẹsán ẹ̀kọ́ sílẹ̀ ìyẹ ọ̀sẹ̀ kan ó ṣe ikọ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ mẹ́ta ẹ̀kọ́ sílẹ̀ iye tẹ lọ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ help you bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tẹ̀ ń lò bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n family food fẹ́lárí lẹ́kùn níbẹ̀ yẹn àṣẹ ginger garlic yẹn no sí ginger garlic or ppl yẹn ewé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ fi ṣe but àwọn tí mo máa ń lọ kọ́ ní ìkọ̀ mi bá ti kọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ ṣe ń ṣe máa ní wọ́n máa ṣe fún wa láì ṣé ẹ̀ní táwọn ṣe rà fún bá ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe dáadáa ni so bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ra lóyún sí wọ́n sọ pé àbí owó lẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ̀rọ and lóòótọ́ àwọn nǹkan mi wà bí sáà sàkàṣẹ rà bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn nǹkan kò sí ìmọ̀ tó ń tà náà kọ́ wa bó ṣe ń ṣe ìpò ìgbà míì tí ó kò bàjẹ́ ọjọ́ bá jókòó ṣe àwọn nǹkan yẹn ìbí wọ́n lè máa wúlò oṣù mẹ́ta kan kékeré jẹ́ kí máa kúrò oṣù mẹ́ta ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀gá rírà kàkúrò ní so gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ bá ṣe ń rà ẹ̀ máa pọ̀ sí. but má kàn sáré rọ́ǹkù ẹ̀ kí oníkálukú láti ṣe o sí. That's the well it's supposed to be either your personal or your business so let's say Oníṣọlá Ṣóyínmọ́'s personal business model canvas. Cherry model canvas yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ pàdé ní ṣiṣẹ́ company mo máa ń rò pé bóyá àwọn alákọ̀wé nìkan ni wọ́n ní pé kí ló kan àgbẹ̀ pẹ̀lú business model. Cherry business model ni pé iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ yìí tẹ̀ ń ṣe ewu gbogbo nínú ẹ̀ lẹ́fẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa mọ̀ ní fún ọ̀nà owó lẹ́fẹ́ pọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ àwọn owó lẹ́fẹ́ máa tà á fún àwọn owó lẹ́ ń bá ṣe pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ kiri yìí wá so wọ́n máa fún yín ara nǹkan tó wà fún ni pé first of all àwọn owó lóníbàárà yìí àwọn owó lóníbàárà yìí ẹ láti lè jókòó ẹ wò pé àwọn oníbàárà yìí àwọn tíjà tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi kọjá tó ń lọ sùkúlù lọ kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yẹn àwọn ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ láti mọ kọ́sítọ́mà yìí kẹ bá ronú jinlẹ̀ ẹ wá rí pé nǹkan kan kó máa jẹ́ common tó ìbò pè ní common indicator láàrin àwọn tó bá yẹra ṣẹ́jú bá wá sí àwọn ní cancer yẹn àwọn fi ọ̀gá ní ìṣòro rárá kí wá ń ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló máa ń láwọn fún nítọ́rọ́ báwọn ní cancer. irú láì yẹn ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́ máa dà o àti owó àti lemon ṣe òkè láì yẹn common jù bí ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́ dà ó máa ń ṣara lóore. In fact àwọn kan wà wọn lè mú omi kọ́ máa pọ̀ sí bí òun mú omi mi láì jẹ́ kí n díẹ̀ sí bí mo bá fẹ́ jẹ púpọ̀ máa ra fi sí i ó tún máa ń mú téèsì ní ìwà so ẹ láti ronú pé nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn kí ló yàtọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ ẹ bá jẹ́ kí nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe ó lè jẹ́ ní sẹ́ńtẹ̀ ní ẹ̀yìn àtàwọn kan ń ṣe wò but ibi tí ìmọ̀ ti mú ti yín jáde àwọn òbí lè fi wá bẹ̀ tó ti yẹ ìbọ̀sùn ibi tẹ̀yìn lè gbà àwọn òtí ẹ̀ kúrò sí. Then báwo ni àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń ṣe nǹkan yẹn báwo làwọn èèyàn ṣe ń mọ̀ ṣé ẹgbẹ́ kan náà la ní ni ṣé ẹgbẹ́ yẹn ó ní nǹkan kan máa ń ṣe ni táwọn èèyàn máa fi wá wò wá tó máa fi mọ̀ pé nǹkan yìí là ń ṣe ìyẹn làwọn èèyàn máa ń pè ní channel of communication báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe báwo ni wọ́n ṣe mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe ẹ̀dẹ̀ láti make sure ẹ ní ọ̀nà tí àwọn èèyàn máa fi máa mọ ọ̀kan tẹ̀ ṣe wọ́n ò bá mọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ máa wá pé akókó ṣe ń ràn àríta ọ̀gá ní ìlọ́wọ́ bá ń gbẹ owó ọjà ẹ̀ tí ìdèbí tó yẹ pé àwọn èèyàn ti ń wà ní. Then àwọn oníbàárà yẹn ti sọ yẹn àtàwọn tó ń bá yín rà pọ̀ àtẹ̀yìntẹ̀yìn náà ń bá rà pọ̀ ẹ make sure pé ẹ súnmọ́ra yín ẹ mọ oríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan míì ẹ ní láti drop owó tí wọ́n máa fi fún yín ní information tó máa là yín lóye mo sọ ti carrot mi mo ní mo gbé gbègbè mo lójú tó tí mo bá àwọn olùṣe gbọ̀ngàn lẹ́yìn bá gbé lẹ́yìn ẹ lè ṣe èkó place kẹ́ni síìdì ẹ̀ nìkan lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ kó máa yọ fún yín bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà ẹ bá yọ síìdì ẹ̀ ètò báyìí ẹ̀rọ owó bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ bá lọ sí most market àwọn onígbù wọ́n fi síìdì yẹn ṣeré o wọ́n máa fi kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìní ìwọ́n máa ta síìdì ẹlẹ́yọ 45 naira bí 50 naira ló ta sí ìní 60 ìní 70 bàbá. So ẹlẹ́tì ronú kọjá pé òkè àdúró délé láì ta fi ń dúró yẹn ṣé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi láì ta fi ń dúró yẹn kí la lè tún ṣe ẹ make sure pé ẹ fún ní value yẹn ni pé ó dá yín lójú ẹ lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ ẹ má ṣe nǹkan kan tí ò bá yé yín ẹ mọ̀ ọ́ ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ láti lè ṣe é. So kíní tí mo máa fún wọn yìí bóyá as association ẹ jókòó wọ́n bá máa fi béèrè picture yẹn ayé yìí kò sí nǹkan kan tó wà ní ẹ̀tẹ́ kì í ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kò fọkàn sí ni then àwọn òun lè bá partner pé madam Lisi lè máa lọ bá ń ṣe bí ẹjọ́ madam ẹ sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn pé ẹ lọ́jà kan tí ìdílé kan ṣe àfẹ́ máa ṣe báyìí tí partner nìkan tó bá yá ẹ̀mọ́ ara yín ju bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ àwọn bọ́lẹ̀ tó ní ẹ̀wò mo ti bá yín fún rí lọ́gà pípọ̀ ẹ lè máa ṣe kíní fún ọ ó tún máa lò ó sí i.
There is only 4 parts that they sold there.
Don't go on the receipt. One, you will be amazed what you find there. In fact, the last thing I bought there, I didn't have one money. Just left the deposit. I told them that I'll come and carry them with me. And since when have I been coming? I carry my thing. Of course, they don't say, I'm going to pay them, I'm going to pay them. So, if you go to them, we'll see on them 1 year. We'll stay less in the man and bill. So, there's nothing you want that you cannot, they're highly talented. They're mostly fabricators. So you just tell them what you want.
Thank you so much. Yes, when you were talking initially, you said something about fairness. And you got me concerned. Okay, like for instance, what you said, let me just see what you said was that in our fairness principle, that because of what happened to tomatoes now and the price, there was a price hike. And I was concerned. He said, but in the fairness principle, we can't say because there's a price hike and we are selling for 1,000 or there's some other price and we raise our price. But I am concerned because it wasn't just ordinary price hike. Every other input went up as well.
Okay, did it go to 100,000 for you? I'm not saying you should on my production works out to the fact that I can sell it for 50,000. Why would I hide it to 100,000 because that's what I'm selling it? That's what I was trying to say. Yes, that fairness. I always like to think about myself. If it is me, am I buy 100 things? Even the rich were complaining when they bought small tomatoes like this for 8,000 naira. So if my production cost, I've always been growing tomatoes and harvesting. So and I didn't have any problem. I didn't have absolute bad. Do you understand? I have absolutely no reason to join the 100,000 gang. So it's like my conscience. My conscience, I'll be feeling bad. So me to have joined this kind of bandwagon. Those who sold for 100,000, it might genuinely be that their expenses, their suffering, is not.
I get looking for your flex. I was actually looking for the address there. I need to where you are located. I have been into crop farming for over 10 years. Wow. And I'm so frustrated. I am so frustrated as in let me spell FRUSTED. Yes. In this part of where we have a farmer's market. And the Benue dominates it. I speak much English. Once they see me, this fine woman. My product, my vegetables are as beautiful as I am. So yes. So I stand out when I get to the market. But once they see me, one must set me up on my plan. I'm telling you, there are hundreds in the farmers. I have to join the association. I have to pay. Even with that man. Yes. I tell you, they will just, they are so generous, they are so demanding, they will just really strategize or something, and you just see people not coming to be going to them. And when you walk over romantic Jemma, I don't want to be your mama. When she was saying something about pricing, from beginning, at the everything from when I went to the market, how I bought my seed, all accounts, only it was not the home. When I'm selling my dozen for 5,000 and the big rubbish as low as 2,000 naira, then the people from Aja, they take on you about because they didn't write what the boss from the beginning. They don't have an incline. They don't care if it's profitable or not. When you were talking about the Kumba, I was nodding my head. I think Tokyo is the best. Under 40 days. There is a particular woman that buys Kumba in Okiachi. You are blessing. Bring 200 bags to buy. Unfortunately, all the educated farmers, we do it together so that we can move together. Then in one day we'll have about 500 to 1,000 bags of Kumba. Then I'm supposed to sell for 8,000 naira per bag. Then you are blessing to start on them at 2,000 bags. And you know Kumba. Yeah. All of us. And the point is to go back. We left Kumba. And today, my husband, Kumba, then I tell your husband to go and pass it. And I'm not going to touch again. My husband, you won't see Kumba in the market now. Because we were educated, we took our time. My question mark, you see all this English. I told her I was frustrated. I told her, I met you somewhere when you spoke about packaging vegetable in the ground by now model. We met somewhere in DRA. What I did in March, the thousands of stories I went to meet my husband. I said, we were referring to 200 naira, they did the day. But people were buying. And she said something.
Yes.
She said, you have your market.
Yeah. I built my market.
Honestly, people didn't leave your table. Everything you brought, you sold out. I'm 5 years. Honestly, about 5 years ago. I really get money. Money is that.
paid job. And I packaged, then there was this net, I used to get it from Cotonou, and I packaged the net. I think the local ones gave us about 6 seats for 1 kg. The sweet corn, 3. And I would phone all, I wasn't even going myself. I would phone all of them around. My driver is on the way. Guess what? We're selling out. So, I think we just haven't found the market.
I planted maize in the machine here in Jekodi. I was trying to make everything organic such that my chicken will start eating my maize. And the first year that I tried it, I had this, and you know, I was frustrated, like frustration. I don't want to spend it again. If you tell me to harvest by themselves, they will go inside. If you think go long and go like for them now, I relate with you very well. But I'll tell you how I made you. In fact, that's why I asked for it like that. What helps me? One, I realized that I don't have enough land to plant, and I don't have enough equipment to dry maize for my chickens. They waste time. They pay me. Then what I did about this was that I gave people out. I was close to FSTC. So instead of having one destroy my base, so when I was that frustrated, I went into FSTC. I gave every damn person. Considering that I have a lot of them as straight on my street. Tell anyone that I don't give up. So them job. So they were like, we can do secondary school, something so that we'll teach them up. And they said they had a committee for who come. And they said, okay, I should come and do special advisor to that committee on catch them job. You know what they give. And when we went to the Association of Nigeria, when I located the one in Japan, the first thing I did was I gave grace. Like I gave grace. So till today, anything they now want to do, they will now report. Yeah, Ogun State government during the election brought up like 50,000 plates of egg. They know that I am not doing egg. I have like 3 people that call me some and some targets. Guess what? I said them people that had egg too. So they did not even come off my own for Ogun State. It was the chairman of Coach Association of Nigeria that bought from me. To me, I thought it was so good. I can start everything. The chairman I had it. Oh, you know that over. So I did that. I just did that. And God is faithful. I was helped.
The fact that we have potential in the numbers that we, when we come together. Oftentimes, I don't know if it's Southwest, we prefer to work alone. And it really doesn't help us much. We can move, but we can't move far. So it's important right from now to start understanding that we need to cooperate. Like in your own case now, Madam Okwes is very right. You are going to the wrong markets. First of all, you've not even identified the quality of what you are bringing. Take price for you. So why not people, for instance, that sometimes in reality, being in production and marketing at times can be very, very daunting. You are attending to what's going on in the field. At the same time, you are breaking your head, thinking where you are going to sell to, how you are going to sell, what price. Meanwhile, there are actually people that are built for that. I'm not talking about your local market. There are people that have capacity to move with whatever you are coming with. But guess what? There has to be that trust. There has to be that relationship. And it does not start in one day. So just have it at the back of your mind. And especially in organic production. There has to be this ecosystem thing that is involved in you. When you are planting in the soil, there are many microbes inside that makes your nutrients or whatever it is, what you are planting cover. It is because of the network of those microbes. It is because of the way the soil relates with the water, the wind itself, that you are able to get what you have as output. It's the same thing when you now want to sell. You have to leverage on each other. You have to leverage on the natural ecosystem that God has provided. There's natural ecosystem in everything we are doing. You produce, alright? You have the strength in production, and God has given another person the character, the attitude, the skill set to be able to market. He has given another person the skill set to be able to look beyond what you are doing on the field and tell you in, let's say, 5 years' time, this is what your business can. So you have to network, you have to work with this set of people. That's what
The record of what I spent on maintenance. Okay, I want to quickly run an instance. I got cutlass in 2021. I wrote it down. I got like 4. And I don't know, I just came back this year to count. And I realized I had just 2. So I told the attendant, you are going to buy it, no. You buy 1, all there, and 4 of you. Then your manager will buy 1. That was all. Then I